Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do week 3 of Project Life. I went ahead and printed out my photos. I had to print out the photos like with a border, some of them, mainly because this family photo that I had taken, they automatically like zoomed in on the Canon selfie app, so my boyfriend's head was like cut off, which is annoying. But whatever, I guess I just like lesson learned with printing my own photos at home, but I'm just cutting them up. I decided to use my Creative Memories, which is probably like 15 years old, trimmer, just because it's smaller and fits on my desk, and I enjoyed it. It's still working pretty well. Then I'm going ahead and just putting everything in its space. I kind of thought about some of the cards ahead of time. I wanted to use that last pink one, and then the one with the journaling card I'm going to use. That is also a matching pink. And then this card that came in the kit at the bottom, that was purple and pink, and then it matched perfectly with the papers, which I think is obviously the point of getting a kit. And this month of January's kit did not come with letters that I had enough to write like weeks on end, so I went ahead and found another set. So I'm just going to spell out week 3. I kind of second guessed myself if I had enough ease for this, but thankfully I did, and this didn't come with like actual numbers, so I had to spell it out, which is completely fine with me. So I'm going ahead and just writing that out, and I put this on some ephemera that came in the kit. That is the same collection. I can't remember which one. If you are really that curious, on my video I wrote down everything that I'm using in this kit. It's from the Project Life 2018 January kit, and I just put the dates that this week is from, and I'm going to glue that on. A lot of the photos that I used this week were from the weekend. I felt like I just didn't do really anything interesting during the week, which is fine, but I do want to try and document those little memories as well. As you can see, I'm just trying to find some more ephemera to put on the left-hand side, make sure it looks good, and I settled with that. And this is going to be my title card, which I thought was really cute, a little bit different. I love how easy all of these weeks are genuinely going, just for the pure fact that everything matches in the Project Life kit. I've never used it this way before. I just used it as general documenting, so it's really fun to be able to use some of this stuff. I can't wait to add some more of like 12 by 12 in this as well, but that is for the future. And this picture is on Martin Luther King Day. It snowed that day, and I just took a picture from outside my apartment. I relaxed that day, kind of just got ready for the week, so I'm just writing about that I just had a nice day off and was able to prepare for the week. And I also wanted to put the date down again. I want to remember to try and date on as many cards as I possibly can, just so you know like which day it actually was, since I'm not taking a photo every single day for the 7 days. And that card is pretty much done. Then I was looking through this, trying to find some more that might just be relevant. And from this far, I can't really remember what I put, but you'll see close-ups later on what the sayings say. I'm like really anal. I mean, maybe this isn't even anal. But sometimes I wonder, like, some of these phrases I would never use, like they're not applicable to my life, but I would never use something random. So it's always something that I'm super picky about and making sure that it makes sense for the photo. And I'm cutting out a little label. I want to put a little bit of journaling on the middle of this photo. This is just a crafting photo. My best friend came over on Friday night, and we were just crafting away, had some wine, so I just documented that. Like, this is one of the moments that I was super happy that I was able to document, that Project Life is available for. In the past, I never would ever have a photo of a random Friday night where I did nothing but sit inside, obviously with my best friend, but that's kind of what comes with event scrapbooking, is you miss some of the days that you have. So I don't know, it's just something exciting and new for me. I might talk about this every single day this year, just because this is a really fun project for me so far. And going through all my puffy stickers, trying to find anything. Whenever I have a picture with my boyfriend, I always try and find like lovey things to put down, just because I feel like Project Life and card making and all this stuff has like so much lovey stuff, and then at some point, like, you know, you only have one boyfriend, and I talked about this with card making too, but like I can only use so many of these things. But anyways, now I'm just going ahead and putting 2 photos down from a bridal shower. In retrospect, I really liked these photos and I wish I would have made like a whole layout out of it. But now that I'm fully into week 4 and nothing has happened, it's been a very chill week. I don't know what I would have put on the flip side of that full layout with the pictures from a bridal shower that I attended. So I don't know, I feel like it's a little bit of give and take when you're scrapbooking week by week because you have no idea what the next week will bring, unless you just know you're going to have a huge event. But yeah, I'm just going ahead and journaling that this was my friend's bridal shower, and then I think I put the date somewhere, and I'm also trying to make sure that I stamp more. I love the stamp sets, and when I look at like Kelly Perky's videos, I just am so enamored by how she uses her stamp sets. Obviously, her stamp sets are a little bit different than the Project Life ones, but definitely always love watching that. So right now I'm just trying to pick up a piece of ephemera. This is a puffy sticker actually, and then I'm also going to use some white StazOn ink, and I inked it up a little bit more so that this time the stamp will actually show. I had a little bit of trouble with that before. I have noticed other people use Brilliance ink. Maybe I will use that in the future. We'll see. But yeah, I do have a question. Do you guys like when I film just at this level the whole entire time? Or do you like when I'm focusing on a certain card, I zoom in on that card and then show you the process with that? If that's a better view for you, or if you just like seeing how everything comes together in real time, that would be really helpful to know. I probably should have put that in the video in the beginning, as I don't know how many people make it to the end of this. If you're at the end of this, thanks for continuing to watch this. I'm glad that I hope you're enjoying this. I guess I can't assume that you are. Anyway, I'm just cutting up a piece of paper for this huge photo of my family. I love this photo, and this is from when we went to Topgolf, and this is from the same event as the photo with Zach and I. So I pretty much only scrapbooked like Monday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday was really the only main things that I had. And I'm adding some stickers, and that's about it for this week. This week was very like matchy, but I really liked it anyway. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did and you want me to continue to upload my Project Life, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to see more. Thanks, bye.